This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart Plus for gas. First, download the Walmart app onto your smartphone if you haven't already. Next, ensure your Walmart Plus membership is fully active and linked within the app settings, confirming your account is ready. This initial setup is crucial for accessing your fuel benefits seamlessly, preparing you for savings when you are ready to fill up. Your Walmart Plus fuel discount is valid at over 13,000 participating stations across the country. These locations typically include Walmart gas stations, Murphy USA, Murphy Express, and Exxon Mobil sites. To find the nearest one, simply open your Walmart app and use the dedicated Find a Station feature, which will show you eligible pumps in your area. This makes it easy to plan your fuel stops. When you arrive at a participating gas station, before you start fueling, open your Walmart app. Head to the Services tab, then select Member Prices on Fuel and tap Get Started. The app will prompt you to enter the specific pump number where you are parked, authorizing your discount directly to that pump. This vital step ensures your savings are applied before any fuel is dispensed. Once you have authorized the pump through your Walmart app, proceed to pay as you normally would with your chosen method, whether credit card or debit card. The fuel discount, which is typically 10 cents off per gallon, will be automatically applied to your purchase price. You will clearly see this reduced price reflected directly on the pump display as you fuel and also on your printed receipt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.